Welcome to SAR Knowledge Center. In this video, we will see the information about Aditya L1 spacecraft. What is Aditya L1 spacecraft? Aditya L1 is a coronagraphy spacecraft to study the solar atmosphere designed and developed by the Indian Space Research Organisation ISRO and various other Indian research institutes. It will be inserted at about 1.5 million km from the Earth in a halo orbit around the L1 Lagrange point between the Earth and the Sun, where it will study the solar atmosphere, solar magnetic storms, and their impact on the environment around the Earth. Why is it named Aditya L1? Aditya is derived from Surya, the revered Hindu deity representing the sun. The L1 designation denotes Lagrange point 1, signifying the precise location situated between the sun and the earth, where the Indian spacecraft is set to embark. Aditya L1 launching. On September 2, 2023 at 11:50 am, the Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle PSLV C-57 accomplished the successful launch of Aditya L1 spacecraft from the second launch pad of the Satish Dhawan Space Center located in Sriharikota. The Aditya L1 spacecraft is scheduled to undergo a series of 4 Earth-bound orbital maneuvers prior to its placement in the transfer orbit towards the Lagrange point L1. Objectives of Aditya L1. First, dynamics of solar upper atmosphere, chromosphere and corona. Second, studies of chromospheric and coronal heating, physics of partially ionized plasma, initiation of coronal mass ejection, CMEs and exchange of flares, observation of in situ particle and plasma environment, providing data for the study of particle dynamics from the sun. Third, physics of solar corona and its heat mechanism. Fourth, determination of coronal and loop plasma, temperature, velocity, density, development, dynamics and origin of the CMEs. Fifth, determination of the sequence of processes at multiple layers that lead to solar eruptive events. Sixth, magnetic field topology and measurement in the solar corona. It carries 7 payloads to study the sun, 4 of which will observe the light from the sun and the remaining 3 will measure the in situ parameters of the plasma and magnetic fields. Overview. The Aditya L1 mission will take around 109 Earth days after launch to reach the halo orbit around the L1 point, which is about 15 lakh km away from the Earth. Aditya L1 will be able to provide observations of Sun's photosphere, chromosphere and corona. In addition, an instrument will study the solar energetic particles flux reaching the L1 orbit, while a magnetometer payload will measure the variation in magnetic field strength at the halo orbit around L1. These payloads have to be placed outside the interference from the Earth's magnetic field and hence could not have been useful in the low Earth orbit, as proposed on the original Aditya mission concept. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.